Today we are going to unbox Gujutsu, Gujutsu Blazigon. I know where it says. Oh, there we go. His goo power is Lava Slam. It's made by Moose Toys. It's a hero pack. I always get a hero pack. It says try me, and it's much squishier than Sicario the Lion. Stretches up to 30% of its size. And this is the picture it should be. Okay? I don't see the food. It should have a food, but... And also, this is the good guy. Okay, let's open it up. I want to keep this box, so we're going to be careful. Oh, that's good, that's good, that's good. Ooh, hey. Hey. Oh, that's nice. It's so wobbly. Watch. Ready? Oh yeah. These sweaters are very good. But I just don't know how they did like that. Ooh. So this is Blazigon. His tail is also stretchy. And there are also little balls in him. Oh, look, a lollipop. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lollipop. See? Little lollipop right there. And you squish it. Ooh, that's good. Wow, slam. Oh. And so this is Blazigon. And here it says on the back, a born leader. When things heats up, Blazigon knows how to take control. He uses his smarts before he uses his hits. That is until he loses it. Then that level of heads blows its top and he erupts into action and unleashes his inner power on his targets. So here's the words. You can pause because I'm not going to wait that long. Okay. And these are the other characters I have put. I have Sicario. And I have Blazigon. Yeah. So this is Blazigon. Ooh. And and I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. See you later. Bye. Please subscribe. That's my sister.